This is The Posts, the podcast by ArtisanEnglish.jp with another Halloween-themed post. Today, we'll look at Cauldron.
Halloween has come and gone. Cauldrons worldwide are being stowed away, their mystical allure set aside until next year. A cauldron, typically defined as a large, heavy pot used for cooking or boiling, has become synonymous with the spirit of Halloween. These iconic vessels have captured our imaginations through centuries of folklore, symbolizing the magic and mystery that permeates this spooky season. The cauldron takes center stage in countless tales of witches brewing potions or casting spells. Whether bubbling with colorful, eerie concoctions or simmering with secrets, cauldrons evoke a sense of excitement and intrigue. Many nostalgia-laden Halloween celebrations would feel incomplete without these esteemed pots guiding the festivities. After all, what says Halloween better than a witch stirring a bubbling cauldron under a harvest moon? During Halloween, cauldrons transform from mere cooking vessels into fountains of creativity. They serve as fun decorations, filled with candy for little goblins and ghosts, or used as containers for haunted blood-colored or slim green punch. Every sip from a witch's brew concocted in a cauldron on Halloween adds to the enchanting atmosphere, setting the scene for delightful frights and friendly gatherings. Even as the last jack-o'-lantern flickers out and the costumes are packed away, the cauldron symbolism lingers. It represents a time for storytelling and connection, where the sound of laughter and spookiness blend together. Cauldrons remind us that Halloween is not just about scares, but about conjuring memories and relationships that keep us warm during the chill of fall. So, while we pack up our cauldrons and prepare to set up our Christmas trees, remember the magic they bring to Halloween and look forward to their return, ready to stir up more delightful frights in the coming year.
If you have a moment, please take it to like and subscribe. That would help to grow the channel. To ride the learning curve, join Artisan English. JP. Have a fantabulous Halloween.